This is RG1100. It again comes in clear and black. This is here, again, a little higher performer. It has a HDT of 118C, which is over 240 degrees F. It has very good chemical resistance. It can withstand acetone and still maintain its properties. So RG1100 is a very rigid material, so it has a high stiffness, and it's not quite as tough as the tough materials are, so it can't take quite the impact that the ST materials can. But here you can also see it has great detail like the ST45, but it gives you that extra higher HDT to where you can start using it for maybe more automotive where you're over that 100 degrees C, again to use it as functional prototyping parts. This has very low water absorption and also high chemical resistance and UV resistance. It's more of the upper end product. So the niche for this is the chemical resistance and the high HDT. So that's its niche. So I mean, if you don't need that, then maybe a different product's what you're looking for. But if you're looking for that HDT or chemical resistance, this is the one you'd be looking for.